Hi, I'm Shannon, the garden girl from Georgina Garden Centre. Today we are talking about plants you can have at the cottage, in the cottage, while you are not there. A lot of people will go up for a weekend or go up for a week here and there, but they're not constantly there, so there's not a lot of plants you can have that will survive while you're not there. So I've picked a few things. This one here is in a cute little Cottage Life container, and you can plant this succulent right in there. This one's a cobweb, hens and chicks, and if you look closely, it looks like little cobwebs. They are not, because I don't like spiders, and this one does not creep me out. So this one has little tiny little cobwebs on it. You can see the main plant, and then it will send off all the babies. So when you plant that in here, that will spread over the whole thing, and it will eventually kind of go around the edges as well. And it will survive on minimal water, maybe once every 3 weeks, maximum once a month, but very little water. So that's one option. Another option you can do for the cottage is a snake plant. So a snake plant, or mother-in-law's tongue, is a great plant. It doesn't like a lot of water. It rather no water than water. So even if you're wondering, do I water? Don't. It rather not have it. And it will keep multiplying, sending up more plants. But that's also a really good one to have in a cottage. One for outdoors is this phlox. This one's a really nice one, and it's actually really nice and fragrant as well. This will bloom for about a month, maybe a month and a half in the summer. It will naturalize outside, so it will spread. It won't go nuts spreading like uncontrollably, but it will spread and cover a nice area. It will attract butterflies and bees, which is always nice, but it does have a really nice fragrance. It's very sweet, almost lilac-y, gardenia smelling, but it's a nice choice, and you could actually even cut it and bring it in the house. So if you're there for the weekend and want a few little fresh cut flowers, you can cut a few and keep them inside, which is kind of nice that you don't have to bring them into the cottage, like buy them and bring them in. You can just go out to your garden and cut some. We also have your traditional succulents. So as a lot of you know, that succulents rather be on the dry side as well. So again, maybe once every 3 weeks, maximum once a month, you're going to water these. So these are a great choice for not being around a lot to be able to water as well.